Hello guys, catching the northbound today because the southbound has been delayed to about 4 p.m. So, yeah, I'm only going to be able to catch the 3 p.m. one due to personal reasons. So yeah, I'll get to you when it arrives. As you can hear, it's getting very close. Any second now, these gates are gonna go down. So, yeah, I can see its lights through the trees. If you're wondering why I make all these rail fanning videos, one of my main motivations for making rail fanning videos like this are some people can't go rail fanning. So this is just a video where they can kind of like experience what it feels like, the anticipation and all that. And here they go down. Chuck, don't even try. Don't even try, Chuck. Please, don't. I love the smell of a train pulling into the station for some reason. Right here. Back diaphragm of a transition sleeper, if you're wondering what it looks like. It's knuckle, air hoses, umbilicals. Ooh, beautiful sound. Transition diaphragm. Yeah, I just love how much work, like if you think about it, think about how like much work was put into building these cars and designing them. And if you think that this isn't enough detail on like the underside of the train, then just go watch my video where I literally put a GoPro under a train. Because if you want to see more detail. So yeah, get to you when I arrive at the engine. So, ended up not being able to make it all the way. That is actually, believe it or not, first for me, not being able to make it all the way to the engine. So I guess you will do. Probably one of the closest times I've been to an Amtrak train. But, well, yeah, because 811. Watching a train go makes me so disoriented. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.